Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about increasing plants in number part 3. In this concept we are discussing about the reproduction through spores and other parts of the plants. Reproduction through spores. You can observe that here, what is this? Can you identify this one? Yes, it is a mushroom. And this is only the one of the mushroom plant. It is leaving out its spores to outside, and they are very tiny, just like a seeds they will grow. And here also you can see that one. So these are the plants which are going to reproduce through spores. So some plants such as the ferns and mosses do not bear flowers. They are called as a non-flowering plants. They cannot produce the seeds. So those plants which are not able to produce the seeds, they can produce the spores which are like the seeds. If they will fall, they will grow as a new plant. How do the plants do reproduction other than the seeds? Okay, spores we already know that. Let us see that how they will do that. Let us discuss about the reproduction through other parts of the plant. You can see the different plants here. Some plants reproduce through their roots. Some plants reproduce through their roots, like this. You can observe that, or through the stem, or through the leaves. The growing of a new plant from any part of the mother plant is called as a vegetative propagation. What do you call for that? We call it as a vegetative propagation. Let us discuss about the vegetative reproduction through different parts of the plant. That is reproduction through the roots. You can observe here the sweet potato. What is this? A beetroot and a dahlia. And these are the plants we can observe here that they are going to produce from their roots. Here the root produces a new plant. And the swollen root of a sweet potato, we can call it as a tuber. We call this one as a tuber. Okay. Reproduction through the stem. Now we are going to observe about the plants which are going to reproduce through their stem. You can observe here, this is a growing of strawberry plant. There the stems are going to be cut or going to be kept in the soil to produce a new plant. Here you can see the strawberries. These are called as the runners here. And here you can see that the rose stem cuttings, they are going to grow as a new plant through the stem cutting. And here the tubers, they are going to produce a plant. And the next one here, it is a ginger. You can observe, we can call it as a rhizome. And next we are going to discuss about the plants which are produced through the leaves. Plants such as bryophyllum grow from their leaves. The leaves of the plant have many small buds all along their edges. You can observe the buds here. Okay, at the edges of the leaves you can observe the buds, and those buds they are going to give rise to a new plant by growing the roots and stem through that. Now we are going to discuss about the germination of seed. Okay, you can observe here. You can see that here the seed is producing a stem and the roots are below the soil. And what do you mean by the germination of seeds? You can see that the seed is sprouting the roots outside, and it is giving the stem, and the leaves are being produced by that. So what do you mean by the germination? We can call germination is the process by which a new plant grows from a seed. So what are the conditions required for the germination of seeds? Water, warmth and sunlight, air. These are the conditions required for a seed for its germination. So children, answer these questions. What are non-flowering plants? what is vegetative propagation, name the vegetative part of the plant, give an example of the plants which are produced through each vegetative part of the plant. Thank you. If you have any doubts, contact me through my number.